up, y'all, and welcome to our channel. Today we're going from Sydney, Australia to Auckland, New Zealand aboard Qantas. I don't know the name of the plane, but we'll get that as soon as we get on board. So, and we want to take y'all and share our flight experience with you. So sit back, relax, put your tray tables up, and let's get on this ride. Let's go.
Hey everybody, so this is the Qantas check-in area where you check your luggage in. It is all automated and pretty simple to use, and you will use these machines to get your boarding pass and your bag tags. There are a lot of machines in this area. This is at the Sydney International Airport, so you do have a lot of machines to use. We're actually catching a late afternoon flight, 4 p.m. flight, so there isn't a lot of people waiting, but it's a pretty straightforward process. You just follow the step-by-step guide through the machine. So you will do the check-in per passenger. Then when your booking has been done in a group of people, it will do per passenger. The names are listed on the screen, so it's a pretty simple process and everything is produced through this machine. And they also have staff available if you need help, so don't think that just because the machines are here, no one's here to support you. There is. Received your bag tags, you just pop them onto your the luggage that is going on as checked in luggage. Just like this. Mike's been a very handy man right now. But once you've done this, then you just take it up to there and drop your bags off. So there isn't a lot of one-to-one interaction. It's just all automated. So there isn't really anyone here to monitor anything. But when you're flying Qantas on economy, the weight limit is 32 kilos per suitcase. We already know we're under, even though those look big, they're quite light. But yeah, they normally just do the weight amount and then it will move. We've never been overweight when it comes to this part of it, so we're not exactly sure what happens. But that particular suitcase was 21, that's my one, 21.7 kg. And we've got two more. It's the bag's being weighed and it sits here. Before it goes on, there's a few questions that you do need to answer. Normally it will talk about whether you've got anything flammable in there. Yeah, step-by-step questions which you just need to answer. And oh, how heavy was that one? 21.4. So that went through easily. And we've got our last bag. Let's see how heavy this one is. So this one is 17.2 and it scans. So I'm guessing the one before this, which was Mike, scanned well. And there you go. Have a great flight. So we've just made it, well I've just made it through security. Looks like Sharita has too. Mike is yet to come. Honestly, Mike always gets stopped in security. I don't know. I mean, look, now he's really getting like sort of talked at. But anyway, this is security. It is tough and it's quite intimidating. But Sharita and I made it through. Still waiting for Mike. Let's see how he goes. He still hasn't been let out. Oh, so Mike has steel plates in his leg. He broke his leg about 20 years ago. And that's probably what's going off in the machine is the steel plates. But that's security. I'm glad that it's strict. It's a good thing, to be honest. But he made it through. Let's go through duty free and make our way to our plane. So Mike's carry-on also got double checked because we had fluid in there that was over 600 mils, which you're not allowed to take. If you do, they will throw it out. And it was my beautiful body spray. Anyway, let's make our way to our plane. We have featured Sydney International Airport in a lot of our travel videos of us when we've departed from Sydney. Sydney International Airport is such a beautiful airport. There is a lot of shopping that you can do. And the duty free here is pretty cheap too, especially if you like alcohol. So these are the different prices and the different spirits and liqueurs. The last time we came through here, most of these were like 2 for $60, so obviously things have gone up in price. And they're normally the average price. If it's one price in one duty free, it's the same price in another. So this is the Sydney International Airport. We're not going to show too much in here because we do have a lot of this airport in some of our past videos. So just ahead of us is the eatery section. There are actually little food spots all over the airport, but this is like your main sort of food court area. There isn't a lot of places there to eat, but it's enough. And on our way here, we actually stopped off. I went and got a pide. Mike and Sharita got chicken, and I also got a sushi roll.
Yeah, we stopped.
So we're not going to eat, and I might just grab me a coffee.
But
for those of you who are traveling business class or first class Qantas, and you've got access to the lounges, it's up here. So up there,
stairs and back down
is the entrance to, I believe, first class. And I'm not exactly sure if, yes, they've reopened business class. Mike and I have done the Qantas business class, and we did get access to the lounge both here and overseas. They're okay. It's a nice way to chill, especially to kill time. I think it'd be a better thing to maybe take advantage of if you were killing time on when you're stopping over at another airport. But yeah, it's a great experience. I think we're gonna send Sharita overseas at the end of the year, and we told her go on business class just to experience it. But this is the Sydney Airport sort of food court area. So you've got Pulp and Grill, you've got Kitchen by Mike. Mike,
KFC.
remember out in the outside food court? They had that shop, and you saw it when we were going to America.
Kitchen by Mike. Oh yes.
So they got Kitchen by Mike. They've got KFC, Papa Rich, which is Malaysian. You've got your Greens over there, and McDonald's. Of course, McDonald's. But anyway, we're going to just chill for a bit until it's time to board. We'll see you guys on the plane.
Okay, we're gonna go down to our gate now, or around to our gate. We at gate 37. We're around here. We'll just take you around. Hold on, people. No, too many people are traveling today, but hey, we gotta go all the way down to the end, way down there to get to our gate. So we're gonna walk through. But yeah, it's a good day for flying. It's a bit windy out, but hey, I don't know. Hopefully we don't feel that going up in the air, because it's gonna be rock and rolling. So we're gonna go enjoy our day, enjoy the flight. Whew, man, have mercy. I just think it's gonna be dark when we get where we're going, because it's gonna be like after 9 o'clock, I do believe, when we land. But hey, okay, people, there's that plane that I was telling you about.
See the staff at the transfer desk
if I can get closer. Yeah.
Thank you.
It's really nice. I think that's, there we go. You got a better view of that work of art. It's really nice on a plane. It's great to see when people, or when it's good to see when planes have works of art on it, because it lets you know exactly what region they come from or where they come from, and it's nice, really nice. A little bit of activity going on that side there. Yeah, team meetings. Whoosh. Okay, people. I don't know how this is gonna work. Yeah, this will be all right. So yeah, we're just sitting here waiting on our plane to get here. or as you're seeing, it's already here. It's just waiting. It's being unloaded, and it's going to get loaded with our stuff on it, so we can get across the ditch, as they call it, and enjoy ourselves in Auckland for a wee while. But yeah, we're just going to have a good time, enjoy ourselves, and we're taking y'all with us. So when adventure we go on, you're coming with us this time, I promise. So we'll see you over there and let you know what the flight was like. See you then. Okay, people, we're starting the board. As you can see, they haven't called my row yet, so I'm still sitting here waiting. And this place kind of filled up after a while, but yeah, it's almost time to go. Traveling companions. Anyway, the sun is beautiful out there today. It's gonna be a beautiful flight. We're on our way. We'll see y'all in a while.
Incoming passport or boarding pass, please.
Oh, okay. All right, people. We've all checked in. The wait staff at the desk, very polite, and it's top of the morning to you, but it's afternoon. So we're walking down to, there's our plane there. Oh, Atlantis Air. I'm not pretty sure what that is. You may. People got on board already, so we're just waiting here for them to seat down so we can get on board, put our bags away so we can have a seat. And we'll show you our cocoon for the next 3 hours.
We are
We are on the plane.
We're on the plane.
I feel small. I feel like this is so little.
but it's actually, I feel comfortable. So Mike, myself and Sharita, the leg space is good for me. How about you?
No. Sorry. I'll give y'all a shot. I'll show y'all.
Just enough for him.
Let me show you. Yeah. Sorry. I'm a big fella.
Is that your junker? It's only good to make light as a 3x3 seat configuration. We are on row 12. So this is row 12, and we are maybe 5 rows behind premium economy, right? And then just beyond that wall is business. So yeah, this is us. We are just outside the, what do you call that thing? It's not a wing, right?
No. Yeah.
The propeller?
The engine.
Oh, the engine.
Cabin crew, outdoors and cross-check.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're just outside the engine. I think it's a really good location where we are. We're on row 12, D, E, and F. And we're about to move out. So we need to put our phones onto flight mode, but we're going to go watch some movie.
So these are the headphones that we have for the plane. So on this, we got pretty good, and the ones that you don't have to stick in your ear. So it's good for.
Show me so you can see what it looks like.
See, hold on, I'll show you what they'll.
There.
See, they fit nice.
And they're okay. They're not noise cancelling headphones, but they do the trick. Now let's go watch some movies.
Yeah. But we'll try to get some of this when we take off. I'll show you some of that. Okay, we've been served our dinner for tonight, and you could have your choice of chicken parmesan or eggplant or salmon.
cheese and crackers.
My favorite.
My favourite. Cheese and crackers. So it's the eggplant and polenta. And Mike got the chicken parmesan, which is served with green beans and sweet potato mash.
Yes.
And so you also got a selection of drinks. I'm not exactly sure what drink I'm going to get. We will see. So Mike, tell us how it tastes.
I'll give this a try and have a go. It's got peas on the bottom too.
What at the bottom?
Peas.
Peas.
Yeah. See?
Peas at the bottom.
See? Peas. That is good.
So Mike says it's good. Tastes good. So is it mashed peas or whole peas? Oh, whole peas.
Whole peas.
Good?
That sweet potato is really nice.
Sweet potato is really nice.
Let's try the beans. That's a beautiful meal. Oh, I'm enjoying this.
Welcome to Auckland, where the
Yep.
local time is 8:56 p.m.
We made
Please remain
real
seated
good
with your
time
seatbelt
getting
fastened
in, so
until the seatbelt sign is off.
see you on the other side.
As always,